Welcome back once again to those people who follow the content TV, and today as usual it's me the content, and I would like to share with you this information. Of course I think they are very crucial. So most of the time, most of pioneers have already told me that the market is down and they are wondering if things are going to cover. And also I will try to talk about Pi network after 10 million migration, and also other related cryptocurrencies like XRP and XLM. I will just try to highlight also different things. All right, so those as I move forward, I would like to request you guys to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Mostly 60% of people who follow our YouTube channel are not our subscribers. That's why I'm just requesting you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So now today what do I want to talk about? I want to talk, let's first start with our digital currency, which is Pi network. And I know many people are feeling obsessed, and some are saying this is so ridiculous because they have been expecting too much from this project, and the project has delayed. Now 6 years have already gone, and the project has been promising a lot, and in terms of promising, people are like tired, some of them. All right, so there are a lot of things that I can say, but what I can say is that it's now everything is reaching to the end, and Pi network is going to launch. And what you need to correct every mistake, whether you're in tentative or whether you have a phone verification issue. When maybe, let me say, every problem that you're having at this time, you need to sit down and fix every problem, because we are moving towards open mainnet. Some have already asked me about GCV price. Currently, we have not received anything. I mean, any contradiction about GCV price, and it is like approved. Let me say, according to the information that I'm seeing in the blockchain, it is like GCV price is already approved. But I would like to talk about the GCV price a little bit, because I know it has been a challenge for some extent. All right, I have been in this industry for some good 6 years. I've been trading, dealing with cryptocurrencies, doing payments. Let me say, doing trading, spot trading, future trading, doing Binance spot trading, doing copy trading. So I am familiar with these things of launching a coin, a certain coin, and goes to the platform. So according to this experience I'm going to share, okay, if it was me to follow the normal rules that we have been following while the coin is going to be launched, I was going to predict really the price of Pi coin. But Pi network, I can say that it's just a coin that we don't call it a cryptocurrency, because even the digital the core team is specifying it as a digital coin. So all right, so different countries have been in a rally. Different countries have been in a rally, trying to find a clear trying to let me say, trying to find a CBDC so that countries can start creating a digital currency. So far, there is no any other digital currency that was created so that we can compare to the same regulation of Pi network. But Pi network, the professor, this Nicholas has already, Dr. Nicholas has already said that its price will be determined by pioneers. So since 2022, it was a meeting that happened, was it in Vietnam? I don't remember very well. That's the time that the GCV was proposed, and the GCV became like everybody. Then the ambassadors of GCV were selected. And as we are talking now, Pi network is in 65 countries, and almost 100 million have already downloaded the app. Yet over 18 million has already also done KYC, and we have already received 10 million so far of migration. The total supply is 100 billion. So what do I want to mean here? I'm trying to say that this formula of selecting price, okay, there are a lot of things that we have been following while setting the prices, while doing what, where we use to take total supply of a coin, we divide and do the formula of cryptocurrency, so that we are going to be able to determine a kind of a price. But guys, let me tell you, look at what is happening to IOU price. Most people are saying IOU is a fake price of Pi. Okay, let me take time to explain what is an IOU price, because it has been trading 49.51 price. But what does it mean? Is that one IOU, it is a market potential. It's like a certain shop is predicting to sell a kind of a product in the future, and then it launches and puts some date when it will launch a certain price, and then customers start saying that we shall need that product in the future. So in case of that, that's when now the prediction of the price, how many people are committed to buy that product in the future, that's when brings the IOU price in that case. I think now you understand. I think we are together at this time. So now for this case, this is why I'm saying that at least if you check for the potential market of Pi Network on IU price, it shows that the price of Pi Network won't be less, won't be small. Because why do I say that won't be small? Is because most of coins have been starting, and they started when they launched when I was awake, able to see, and I have seen some of coins start even below $1, but they dominate. Look at recently, this Trump coin started from even $4. It climbed up to $70, and I have seen it, and the breakout happens up to 77, though it is now coming back to the normal price. But what I can say is that the coin performed very well, and I was there watching it like this. So what do I want to mean here? I'm trying to mean that the prices won't be easily determined, because now it's a new digital currency, and it's a new formula, and it's a new regulations and everything. So we need to accept what Pi Core team has been proposing, including GSV price and everything that they have proposed. We have to accept it, but because there's no new negotiations that has already happened. So that's what I can try to highlight about the GSV price and Pi Network and its own update. So we are moving toward this Pi Open Main Network, and we are promising that in Q 2021, Pi Network is going to. So let me try to highlight also about the market, what is happening in the market now. Pi Network is trending. I mean, no, I'm not saying Pi Network. Cryptocurrencies, crypto assets are mostly Bitcoin. The big boss is trading between 89 and 106, and a month is already finished when it is trading that such an extent. And what I can say that at least there is a certain change that is being shown, because the movement is there and traders have already enjoyed. But we have our own coins that we have been believing that is going to reach, that's XRP, that is XRM and Doge, where we have been believing that these coins are going to perform better. But unfortunately, when Bitcoin goes down, and these coins XRP, Doge and they also go down. But what are my advice I can give you guys? So if you see that these coins are predictable and they are promising well, so once you see these coins are coming down, it means that's your good time to keep buying deep, so that when the market reverses, you are going to gain more. I think I'm trying to provide this out because I have a common ground that I'm basing on, and this common ground that I'm basing on, I'm trying to show you that this cryptocurrency this XRP, XRM, they are going to perform better. That's why I'm relying on this. I'm saying that once you see the market is going back, it's not time to be discouraged that the market is not good, but it's our good time to buy deep and deep. So that's the update I wanted to update you. Okay, XRP has a lot of promises that has made a good contract in terms of being a global payment method. XRP, it has established already it has already established the stable coin, and the XRM for Stellar Network is also, those two companies are making good progress and a good partnership with other business, which shows that their price will boost as soon as possible. So every time when we see that the price is going low, it's a good time to buy deep. So I'm advising you guys, let us keep buying in deep, so that when the market reverses, we are going to gain more. So I can say thank you very much. We shall continue with the updates, and I think I'm just encouraging you guys to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get the information as we are moving towards to the open mainnet. Thank you very much.